In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new gallery page to your website, ensuring that your images are displayed beautifully and intuitively. Whether you're showcasing photography, artwork, or any visual portfolio, having a dedicated gallery page can make all the difference. So let's dive right into creating that perfect gallery page step by step. To get started, navigate to the Pages panel of your website editor. This panel is your gateway to managing the structure and content of your site. Within this panel, you'll want to locate the plus icon. Clicking on this will open up several options for adding new pages. Depending on your style and layout preferences, you can choose from various page layouts. For a focused gallery page, you might want to select a layout labeled Gallery. However, if you prefer more creative freedom, you could choose to start with a blank page. If you choose the latter, remember that you'll need to manually add a gallery section to it later on. With your page added, it's time to give it a title. Having a clear and descriptive title is essential, as it tells your visitors what they can expect to find. Simply enter the title and hit enter, and voila, your page has been christened. Next, let's bring your gallery to life by editing it. On your new page, look for the Edit button, usually positioned quite prominently. Click it, and you'll see an image icon. This is where you'll start adding your visual content. Click the image icon to start uploading your images. You can manage and rearrange them using the Edit Gallery button. To give your gallery a coherent look and feel that aligns with your overall website theme, consider experimenting with the settings in the Edit section area. Here, you can tweak the gallery's style and layout until it perfectly embodies your vision. The beauty of this process is its repeatability. You can replicate these steps for as many gallery pages as your heart desires. Each can be customized and tailored to display various elements of your work. Finally, let's talk about organizing your website's navigation, a crucial step in enhancing user experience. Head back to the Pages panel, where you'll find your newly created gallery pages. You can drag them into your main navigation section to make them immediately visible to all visitors. Alternatively, for a more streamlined design, place them in the Not Linked section, ensuring they are accessible via hyperlinks or other navigational elements. For a more sophisticated look, consider creating a parent page under which you can nest your individual gallery pages. This will keep your navigation tidy and logical, helping visitors easily find what they're looking for. And there you have it, a well-organized, visually stunning gallery page that not only showcases your work, but also enhances your website's overall aesthetic. Happy gallery building!